Hello people! Elle here. After 5 weeks of not posting anything, let me give you a quick update on my life before we dive into the video of today. It's been going intense, especially the August just passed by. Just realized it's the 3rd of September today already, and occupancy in my hotel went extremely high for this week because of Formula 1 going on in the Netherlands. So it's been a crazy week of me working full-time and studying full-time. I do not recommend anybody to do that ever, considering how little sleep I got through the entire week. Love the new courses. For this one I have CBV, so creating business value, and ENS, the marketing course. Loving it, but it's just a lot to prepare in between lectures that are obviously scheduled every day. So I've been doing homework during nights, which worked fine so far. I think I'm gonna make in the future a small video of how I actually deal with working and studying. Yeah, 460%. But that's for the future video. But for right now, yeah, I have my last night shift today. I did my best fixing my face today to record the pleasing to your eyes video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, as you might have seen in the title, I got a package from a special friend. So let me tell you the behind story. So this is the friend. We met in Berlin 2019, I think, in a concert line. It was my second Monster X concert for the world tour, and I had a VIP ticket. And for people who've been to K-pop concerts before, if you have a VIP standing ticket, you gotta be there early if you want to see anything in your zone. So I was there I think we met at like 8 in the morning, and yeah, you can't leave the line basically if you don't make any friends, so you just end up getting to know people around you. So me and her had numbers after each other. Even though we ended up being in zone A and B, so on absolute different sides of the venue, I had so much fun. Such a genuinely nice girl, and it was like the greatest meeting in the concert line ever. Yeah, she was actually my first Monbebe friend, which was very unusual to me. So it's like she has a special place in my heart. So let me just post some videos from that day of us queuing with holding hands. It went quite viral on Twitter, I think, because that was the first ever organized line where people who stood from 9 until the start of the concert at 8 were actually able to hold their places in line, getting the number from when you were in the line from the beginning. Usually never works out with those fan queuing, but worked out that time, so. What's in there? And look at that Lithuanian packaging, guys. Also exciting to get the parcel from a person who we've seen only once in real life, even though we both update on Instagram quite often. Oh, even like the cute sticker, look at it, it says happy. There is a lot here, oh my god. I don't know if you can see. The first I've seen was macadamia nuts in white chocolate. What? Do those things even exist? And how did you know that I like macadamia nuts? Huh. Oh, I'm so curious to try this one out. It's gluten-free too, huh? There is so much in here. Let me see. Oh, another one. Those are probably like Lithuanian snacks. There's a weird language on the backside that I can't read. Made with a touch of flame. How cool! Okay. So we have. I think I sent her my favorite scent as well of the candles. And everything is so local. How cool! Brain games. There are even instructions in Russian for this one, huh? Well, I know what to do with my friends now. But with how much I've been working lately, I'm not even sure if I have friends anymore, to be honest. People keep asking me when I'll have free time, and I feel like that's not happening in the closest future. So close! Yeah, I think it's lollipops. Wow. Snakes. Now to the cute part, guys. Gonna put it on my new bikie. And then super cute earrings. Is there something I can actually wear to work too? Oh, I see Monster X merch here. Oh, this one is Korean. This full cute notebook. Oh, I love everything she put in here. It's just so touching, to be honest. There is so much. And there is like album cards in the. I didn't even buy this album. Look at this. I just wasn't sure because I'm moving out soon. I didn't think it was a cool idea to order a bunch of albums to carry them with me. The latest Monster X album, please. And there's the visual card. I think I have Chuan in that one, and I haven't traded it yet. And the Tony Molecule. How come she has things like that? Wow. And then of course there is a letter with a shark. How much does she actually know about me? Like, whoa. 좋습니다. I don't know, my hands are shaking. I really like things like that. My favorite Monbebe. Look at this, she draw the symbols at the top. This paper is indeed so damn cute. Like, how did she even find this? When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. Thank you very much, babe. This is so touching to get things like that. I just genuinely enjoy surprises, and presents like this just give me motivation to, you know, move forward in life, just to recharge a little bit from people I care for. So thank you very much, baby, for sending me so much stuff. Oh my god. And I hope we can meet again soon, very soon. I'll try to post more, but you know what my life looks like. I'll see you later, okay?